Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Athletic Turf. I'm out here at the 2019 STMA Show in Phoenix. I'm out here at the Aqua-Aid Solutions, being joined by Sam Green and Steve Noel. We've got a new product with you guys called the SeeGrow, and this is new for you guys. I want to know what got you into it, and I want to hear what you guys brag about a little bit. So, Sam, I'll start with you.
Yeah, Seth, thanks for stopping by the booth. So we and Steve, about 6 years ago, I was over at Wembley Stadium in the UK there in London, and my first exposure in was the NFL had a match coming up there at Wembley in the fall, and they had an end zone situation where they had a concert stage that had been left in a spot, and they were trying to regrow the grass, and a gentleman there by the name of Tony Stones was managing the grounds at that time, and he kind of put me on to SeeGrow and what they were doing. And so really fast forward 6 years to about 2 years ago, we kind of got a little bit more serious about everything, and they had developed this a little bit further. And we brought this into the U.S., this particular unit, to kind of develop a protocol on C3 and C4 grasses, cool season and warm season grasses. And so with that, over the about 18 months in the golf market and using it on Bermuda grass, bent grass, ryegrass, we've been able to kind of dial the parameters in necessarily for the U.S. market. And then, of course, Steve and them have been doing a lot more in that world market. And so by bringing everything together, and we felt like this STMA show is a good point to launch this, and of course we'll be at GIS also.
Okay, Steve, let me talk to you a little bit about it. Give me some of the particulars. What this is a little bit different from what I was told briefly off camera was that this one has some unique things about it. Will you tell me what those are?
Well, yeah, it's a growing unit to start with, not just a lighting system. As in that it's the only system out there that's able to control all the parameters of the growing elements. The feature of it is that it uses CO2, the same as a greenhouse. Yeah. So literally, what we've got is a greenhouse which we put on a turf surface, be it golf or stadiums. So we've had the technology around since probably about 2007. We've kind of brought it on a little bit more with the introduction of LED lighting. We kind of looked at the American market back in 2008, 2009, and thought, no, we'll leave it because of the energy constraints of high pressure sodium. But now with LED and the evolvement of LED, we feel that we're able to bring it over and actually have something that's worthwhile while using. Okay. And that's proving to be the case now.
Fantastic. Now, what do my readers need to know if they want to learn more? What should they do?
They could go to SeeGrow or contact us with Aqua-Aid Solutions, and we have about 3 models that we're concentrating on. Currently, this is the LED 5. They make one for golf and they make one for sports field. They have an LED 10 for golf, LED 14 for sports, or we have the new open top units bringing a newer technology from an LED light perspective, and using some heating sources and stuff depending on the time of year and the grass you're growing. And it's a larger unit. It's almost 19 feet wide, and utilizing the same technology, but just different size units for different areas in the world of turf grass in general.
Okay, great. Well, Sam, Steve, I thank you guys for your time. This
you.
is the real deal. This is for the big boys here. So check these guys out. We're at the 2019 STMA Show. I'm Seth Jones. Thanks for listening with us here at Athletic Turf.